Hey yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Meso and I'm back with another haircut tutorial. Today is a really clean haircut that I think everybody should learn how to do. So I just want to give y'all a heads up. This whole video, my man's gonna be doing this the whole video. My client is real goofy, man, so he's one of those clients, you know what I'm saying, he just laughs all the time, like all the time. But right now I'm setting in my first guideline using my Babyliss cordless FX trimmers, and I'm just setting it at the bottom of the C, at the top of the C cup, and I'm coming in with my lever fully open using my magic clips, and I'm just going up a complete inch and I'm just fading it out, going halfway to fully closed. And now I'm gonna come in with my 1.5. This is just to clear space and just to debulk and get the fade ready. And I'm just coming in and attacking all the hair that's not a dread. So any hair that's not a part of the dread or is not a dread, I'm attacking that. And right now I have my number 1 guard on. I'm going with the grain and I'm going against the grain. I really go with the grain just to smooth it out, and I'm just going against the grain, you know what I'm saying, just to start my fading process. Now I close my lever and I'm just attacking that bottom line, and that's all I do, just attack the bottom line. And then it really doesn't take long to do these steps. It's really quick. And you could knock like a temp fade like this, and like you can knock that on like 5 minutes, you know what I'm saying, less than that, 3-5 minutes. And right now I'm just making sure I use my corners, and I'm switching to my 0 guard, going fully open and going right underneath where I just put my last step at with the lever fully closed with the number 1, and I'm just going right underneath that, and I'm going fully open, and I go halfway and I slowly work my way down to a lever fully closed. And my bad, the camera's going out of focus a lot, but these are the same steps that I do all the time, so y'all already know what I'm doing really. But if you're new to this video, make sure you check out my other videos to really understand and learn my fading technique. It is really simple, straight to the point, and it's something if you follow step for step, you will see your fades getting better. And right now I'm just doing clip over comb. I'm just acting like I'm using a number 1 guard, and I'm just using the comb and just filling in for a space of a guard. That's basically what I'm doing. And I'm sorry that it's out of focus, but it will be back really soon. And right now, after I do all my fading, I come back with my lever fully open, and I'm just really attacking and, you know what I'm saying, just detailing the line just a little bit. And so right now we're moving to the taper in the back of his neck. I put his hair up, and I'm just coming in with my Babyliss, you know, Hulk edition, and I'm just setting in my first ball. And I'm coming in with my lever fully open. This is the same exact steps as any fade that I would do, literally any fade. The shape may be different, the way I'm putting in my guidelines may be different, but my fading steps are the same. And right now I'm coming in with my lever fully open, just debulking. I think it's my lever fully closed, to be honest with you, but I'm just debulking like the hair around the ear and just making sure everything is even at one length. And normally when people do haircuts with people with dreads and undercuts and stuff, sometimes they go too low on the haircut, like the length of the hair, they go way too low, like around the head. So me personally, I like it to look dark. I don't really like a light, if you know what I'm talking about, like the hair around the ears, especially when they have, like, say a haircut like this, they would normally go around the head with like number 1 blade and just smooth it out. But me personally, I like it to be a lot darker than that, because it shows the fade and the line pops out a lot more and just makes it like a lot more cleaner to me. And that's what I do with my fades. I don't even fade like some people fade, you know, some people fade a lot different, but sometimes it's a little too light, so therefore you can't see no transition. So I like to like tell people, like, you know what I'm saying, fade it where it's dark and just make the fade pop. That makes the fade pop, and that makes your haircut stand out. That's a free gem for y'all too. But right now I'm coming in, and now I'm just gonna shape up around his neck, and I'm just coming down. I normally start in like the middle of his neck, and then right where that bone is behind the ear, like, and I just start right there, and I just move my way down, and I work my way back up. It's really simple. Just follow the line. Do not push his neck line in. Do not push anybody's neck line in. Just keep it and follow the line and go around the ear, and just use your clippers as a pencil, man. You wanna see them work. Just use them as a pencil. And shout out to my client. My client made this beat, man. Look, I didn't know I had this many producer clients, man. Like, it's crazy. But this beat is like that. Like, I really like it, man. Shout out to him, man. He went crazy on this beat. Y'all know it too. Y'all can definitely hear he went crazy on this beat. Shout out to my man Forrest. I actually don't know his producer name, but his name is Forrest, for real. So shout out to Forrest, man. That's is a cold beat, bro. And right now I'm just really detailing, you know what I'm saying, making sure everything is straight. And yeah, man, now I'm just coming in and I'm prepping the hairline. I'm coming in with my number 1 and I'm just prepping the hairline. That's all I'm doing. I'm just combing out the hair, and so since his hair is not done, I don't want to cut any new growth that might be like attached, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to cut that, so I'm just separating the hair and just cutting what I normally cut every single time. And now we coming in doing the shape up. I'm starting right in the middle, and I work to my side that's closest to me. And because he has such a full hairline, I don't have to work to the side where it's, you know, less hair, you know what I'm saying, less dense. I can start on any side because he really doesn't have a major weak point in his hairline. So right now I'm just starting in the middle, working my way, and I'm just putting in the vertical bars. Whenever you're doing vertical bars, make sure that they are 90 degrees, because when you're looking straight up, it looks like the vertical bars push back. If you make it like a straight, 100 degrees, I forgot the number, but just make it 90 degrees and have it coming out just a little bit, not too much, just a little bit though. Like you see the angle I have on my clippers, just make them come out a little bit and you'll be straight. I actually think it's like, if you make it like 100 degrees, then it's gonna look too straight. But and to the point it doesn't look, you know, straight when you're looking straight at somebody. But I'm just going to work with these TI liners, man. This is my favorite trimmer. I'm telling you, if y'all want to know what my favorite trimmer is that TI liner. They do not miss on any grain of hair. And right now I'm just coming in with my Barber Magic pencil, just following the line. And this is a haircut I posted it on my Instagram, and somebody actually requested for this haircut. And so, you know what I'm saying, like I just said, bro, next time you come in, we gotta record it. And that's what I did. But yeah, as you can see, the line looks crooked right now, but as soon as I go to work, you know what I'm saying, to take a step back and look at my work, I'm gonna fix it immediately. But right now I'm coming with my Babyliss Gold FX, which these trimmers are my hitters. Like, you know what I'm saying, like the TL liner is a good start clipper. The Babyliss Gold FX are good hitters, so like they're blending out that pencil line for me perfectly, and that's what you want to do. You need to do whenever you use a pencil, blend it out. Just go ahead and come in with some zero grab trimmers and just go over that line and blend out the pencil. And right now I'm coming in with my enhancements. This is normally my steps whenever I do enhancements. I come in with my Barber Magic pencil, then I hit them. I fade out the Barber Magic pencil, and I come back with my enhancements. I'm using Topic hair fibers, and I'm just using them. And I'm not being too heavy. I do want it to be a little heavy, but not too heavy. I just really wanted to look dark, but not too dark. So when I spray a lot like that, I normally comb it out, and I'm just coming back and I'm just cleaning up everything, just making sure everything is clean, man. This is actually one of my favorite haircuts to do. It's really simple, but it makes the hairstyle pop out so much more. Like, this is like a universal haircut. I feel like they do this in every state, wherever, but like, man, I'm a part of the ditch C cups. I don't like C cups, bro. I personally don't. So any fade that doesn't have a C cup, I like it because it shows the transition. You know what I'm saying? You can't fake the transition. Like, the transition has to be clean. So right now I'm just coming in, I'm just shaping it up. Just he wants his beard, he's trying to grow out his beard, so I'm just giving it a shape. You know what I'm saying? And it's coming in, man. That toe's growing. I remember when I first started cutting it, but it's growing, man. And yeah, I'm just coming in doing some razor work. Make sure you're real, you have a good angle with your razor, and take your time. It's no rush. You will cut somebody if you rush the razor. But yeah, man, I'm just coming in, I'm attacking. I'm going to work, man. Leave a thumbs up on this video if you learned anything new, man. I think it's a really good video. This is something that everybody gets. Like I said, it's a universal haircut. This is not relative to location. So this is one of those haircuts, man. So I really hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Shout out to my man. Shout out to my client for making this beat, man. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe, man. It's your boy Meso, and I'm out. Peace.